Hey beauties, it's me Monalika. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. Today I'm here with another new most common problem of our mouth. It's a bad breath. A persistent, unpleasant odor in exhaled breath, usually not serious, commonly called bad breath. It's not a medical emergency, of course, but some 25 to 30% of the world's population suffer with this distressing problem. So, let's talk about it. The origins of bad breath are not mysterious. Dental cavities, gum disease, a poor oral hygiene, coated tongue, a white or yellow coating on the tongue, usually due to inflammation, are among the most common issue. Other culprits include dry mouth, respiratory tract infections, systematic disease such as diabetes, kidney, liver and lung disease, and gastrointestinal issues which may include acid reflux and other stomach digestion problems. It's easy to improve your breath and keep your teeth and gums healthy at the same time. Try these simple steps to make your mouth feel fresh and clean. Pluck the sticky buildup on your teeth collects bacteria that cause bad breath. Trapped food also adds to the problem. Brush your teeth at least 2 times each day and floss at least once. If you are concerned about your breath, do both a little more often. Don't overdo things though. If you brush too hard, you can wear down your teeth, making them vulnerable to decay. Besides freshening your breath, a mouthwash adds extra protection by getting rid of bacteria. A fresh minty taste can make you feel good. But be sure the mouthwash you choose kills the germs that cause bad breath. Don't just cover up the smell. Rinse daily with a good mouthwash and stop bad breath at its source. You can also help your breath if you swish your mouth with plain water after you eat. It can get rid of food particles that get stuck in your teeth. The coating that normally forms on your tongue can be a host for smelly bacteria. To get rid of them, gently brush your tongue with your toothbrush. If your brush is too big to comfortably reach the back of your tongue, tie a scraper. They are designed especially to apply even pressure across the surface of the tongue area. This removes bacteria, food debris and dead cells that brushing alone can't take off. Onions and garlic are big offenders, but brushing after you eat them doesn't help. The substance that cause their bad smells make their way into your bloodstreams and travel to your lungs, where you breathe them out. The best way to stop the problem? Don't eat them, or at least avoid them before you go to work or see friends. Besides causing cancer, smoking can damage your gums, stain your teeth and give you bad breath. Over-the-counter nicotine patches can help tame the arc. If you need a little help, make an appointment with your doctor to talk about quiet smoking programs or prescriptions medication that can help you give up tobacco for good. The bacteria in your mouth love sugar. They used it to make acid. This wears down your teeth and causes bad breath. Chew sugarless gum instead. Gum disease causes bad breath. Bacteria gather in pockets at the base of teeth which creates an odor. If you have gum disease, your dentist may suggest you see a periodontist who specializes in treating it. You can get tooth decay and bad breath if you don't make enough saliva. If your mouth is dry, drink plenty of water during the day. Chew sugarless gum or suck on sugar-free hard candy. If your bad breath continues despite your best efforts, make an appointment with your doctor. He will check to see if your problems are related to a medical conditions. Parsley is a popular folk remedy for bad breath. Its fresh scent and high chlorophyll content suggest that it can have a deodorizing effect. To use parsley for bad breath, chew on fresh leaves after each meal or buy a parsley dietary supplement. Many people believe that pineapple juice is the quickest and most effective treatment for bad breath, while there is no scientific evidence to back up this theory. Drink a glass of organic pineapple juice after every meal or chew on a pineapple slice for 1 to 2 minutes. It's also important to remember to rinse your mouth of the sugars in fruit and fruit juice afterward. Research shows that mouth dryness often causes bad breath. Saliva plays a very important role in keeping your mouth clean. Without it, bacteria thrive. Your mouth naturally dries out while you sleep, which is why breath is typically worse in the morning. Prevent dry mouth by keeping your body hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day will help encourage saliva production. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Yogurt contains healthy bacteria called lactobacillus. This healthy bacteria can help combat bad bacteria in various parts of your body like your gut. Research shows that yogurt may also help reduce bad breath. A study found after 6 weeks of eating yogurt, 80% of participants had a reduction in bad breath. To use yogurt to fight bad breath, eat at least 1 serving per day of plain non-fat yogurt. Milk is a well-known cure for bad breath. Research shows that drinking milk after eating garlic can significantly improve garlicky breath. To use this method, drink a glass of low or full fat milk during or after a meal containing strong smelling foods like garlic and onions. Fennel and anise seeds have been used to freshen breath in parts of India. Roasted fennel seeds are still used as mukwas or mouth fresheners to cleanse after dinner breath. They taste sweet and contain aromatic essential oils that give the breath a fresh scent. Fennel and anise seeds can be eaten plain, roasted or coated with sugar. Orange are not only make for a healthy dessert, but they also promote dental hygiene. Many people have bad breath because they don't produce enough saliva to wash away full-smelling bacteria. Research shows that vitamin C helps increase saliva production, which can help eliminate bad breath. Oranges are rich in this vitamin. Green tea is an effective home remedy for bad breath. Research shows that green tea has deodorizing properties that can temporarily freshen the breath. Mint has similar effects, so a cup of green mint tea may be an ideal breath freshener. Brew 2 cups of tea before going to bed and refrigerate it overnight. Pour your cool tea into a water bottle and bring it to work. Slowly sip on it throughout the day. So don't delay to purchase green mint tea. Now I am going to tell you 3 homemade mouthwash to fight against bad breath. Number 1. Homemade mouthwash with baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can effectively kill bacteria in the mouth. To make a baking soda mouthwash, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to 1 cup of warm water. Swish the mouthwash around in your mouth for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. Number 2, homemade mouthwash with vinegar. Vinegar contains a natural acid called acetic acid. Bacteria don't like to grow in acidic environments, so a vinegar mouthwash may reduce bacteria growth. Add 2 teaspoons of white or apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of water. Gargle for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. Number 3, homemade mouthwash with tea tree oil. To make a tea tree oil mouthwash, dilute a drop of tea tree oil in a few drops of vegetable oil and put this into a cup of warm water. Squeeze the solution in the mouth for 30 seconds and then spit out until you have used the entire cup of water. Avoid swallowing tea tree oil as it can be toxic if a person ingests it. So yeah, this is it. Always make sure you are practicing great oral care habits. Regular dental visits twice a year for a checkup and professional cleaning are also excellent steps. Hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed it by watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you guys like to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon with another new video. Till then, bye beauties.